This, ladies and gentlemen, is about systematic investment plans and the move by the market watchdog to reduce the ticket size. More importantly, there are many changes that have come into this segment, but one important one is on the side of marketing. So micro SIPs that support financial inclusion, but the incentive scheme which is now being forwarded by SEBI-registered Multipl Wealth Management raises quite a few concerns. The app, which claims to be backed by Kotak Mahindra Group, offers 2,000 rupees in Swiggy Money for starting 7 systematic investment plans of 250 rupees. It also promotes SIPs with brands contributing anywhere between 5 to 20%. Now, is this allowed under SEBI norms? Business Today's senior correspondent Ridhima Bhatnagar was with the SBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Buch, and this is what she had to say.
SIPs are a great way for financial inclusion, but we came across an investment advisor registered with the SEBI that has been offering a sort of an incentive by the name of Multipl Wealth Management. It says on its app that do 7 SIPs for 250 each and get 2,000 back as Swiggy Money. And it also says that start an SIP with a short-term goal of spending with a specific brand, and the brand will invest a part of it on your behalf. So we wanted to understand that is this allowed, and can an RIA promote a product like this?
Whenever a product of this nature is promoted, we have one most important cardinal rule, which is that you cannot give any assurance of return. Okay? So nobody can say that this is how much you will get at the end of this, that and the other. That rule is cardinal. And if you ask us, is that allowed? It is not allowed. Okay? Having said that, promotional schemes of any kind are a matter of marketing, sales, commercial arrangements. We never get into those. So we will never have a point of view on how you are using your incentive. We have a larger protection in place, and I think I mentioned that while I was speaking, that if the SIP is discontinued in less than 2 years, then the incentive is not given to the distributor. So the risk mitigation measures are already well baked, and the reason it's well baked is because the product is created by the industry, so they know exactly what the risks rewards in this ecosystem are. So I think a little bit of healthy skepticism is good, but a good dose of trust in the ecosystem and the industry is also good.
Yeah, Ridhima, welcome to Market Today. Seems that the SEBI chief sidestepped your question. Were you able to speak to her off camera? What did she say?
So Cheryl, she clearly told us that SEBI is not against any promotional activity for promoting micro SIPs, which is a good initiative by the regulator, but it is against any sort of assurance of returns given by this promotion. So she clearly said that this is not allowed, and any sort of promotion for the assurance of returns is not accepted, and it goes against the whole idea of safeguarding the investors. And it is also said that distributors will only get the incentive after 2 years, which is 24 months of SIP by the investor.
Fair point. So in a sense, she hasn't said that this marketing scheme is incorrect, but all that she has said is that you can't be offering confirmed returns or guaranteed returns, and it leaves it to the better judgment of the marketing teams of mutual funds to come to a conclusion. Are we understanding the subject clearly?
Yes, and it has also... Yes, absolutely, Shail, and it is also reiterated that the ecosystem is what investors should trust on, the regulator and the AMCs, which will ensure that the investors are not misled into anything. The whole purpose of it is to make sure that investors are not misguided by any sort of promotional activity.
Okay, thank you so much for this, Ridhima. Let's see what Swiggy Money is. And of course, I'm sure there'll be a lock-in as far as these SIPs are concerned for a period of 3.5 years, because the wealth manager, in this case, Multipl Wealth, needs to also make money out of it. But like I said, at least in the view of several other experts that I had spoken to, this is at the moment a grey area. You can't be offering money to someone to start a SIP. Let's see how it is, because this also in some way is a guaranteed return, whether it is in the form of Swiggy Money or a token or whatever, but only time will tell. Let's see how this controversy grows, and I'm sure you'll keep us updated. Thank you so much for your time.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.